All right, in this video, we are going to be learning two different tap moves, the shuffle and the crank roll. But before we get to that, we're going to do some rhythm practice. So when I point to myself, I'm going to clap out a rhythm. And when I point to the camera, I want you to repeat after me. So let's give that a try first. Just something simple. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Your turn, ready, go. Awesome. All right, we're going to do it with some trickier ones. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Your turn, ready, go. My turn, here I go. Your turn, ready, go. My turn, here we go. Your turn, here we go. My turn, last time. Your turn, here we go. Awesome. So if that didn't work so well, if that was a little bit tricky, which is, there were some tricky rhythms in there. If that was, then I want you to pause, rewind, and practice that one more time. Yeah, so we really get it. Now, maybe you noticed that when I'm clapping, it's not just the sounds that makes the rhythm, it's also the silence in between the sounds. So if I'm doing something like this, that's still in rhythm, right? Because I have a beat that's going on in my head. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so that I can count for that silence. So in my head, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So let's give that a try all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. So it's very important to count not just the sounds, but also the silence in between the sounds. Now let's get back on our feet. Let's practice it with some stomping, yeah? So I'm going to point to my shoes, and I'm going to point to you. Ready? My turn, here we go. Your turn, here you go. My turn, here it is. Your turn, here you go. My turn, one more time. Your turn, here you go. Awesome. Great work, tappers. So now you learned a little bit more about rhythm. We're going to keep practicing that in our classes too, because rhythm is a really important part of tap dancing. Rhythm is the language of tap dance. So it's time to start learning some moves that you can do to make those rhythms. The first one we're going to do is a shuffle. A shuffle is where we take one foot, we swing it forward like we're kicking a soccer ball, and we're scooping it back and step down. So let's give that a try. I'll show it to you from the side. We bend our knee, swing forward, swing back, and down. You can also do many of them in a row, like this. So let's try one on each foot. Ready? 5, 6, here we go. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Awesome. How did that go? Let's try it one more time. Ready? 5, 6, here we go. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Awesome. Let's try 3 in a row. Then we'll switch our feet. Ready? 5, 6, here we go. Shuffle, 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 down. Other foot. Shuffle, 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 down. Awesome. How did that go? Way to do it. You guys are tap dancing. All right, this last move that we're going to learn for today is called the crank roll. So our cramp roll helps us use the different parts of our foot. So we can step on our toes, like we're stepping up on some stairs, and we can drop our heels. So we have heel, heel. So practice stepping up on your toes, stepping up into tiptoe, like you're marching up a staircase. Up on your toes. Very good. Let's try that 2 more times. Ready? Up on your toes. And again. Up on your toes. Beautiful. That's the first part of the cramp roll. And the second part of the cramp roll is coming back down again. So we're going to go up on our toes. Then we're going to go down and drop our heels one at a time. So drop your first heel, drop, and drop your second heel, drop. So it's like we're making a square. I'm going to go right, left, right, left. Now you try. Let's go together. Right, left, right, left. Try doing it with your hands too, so you can get a feel of it. Up on your toes, down on your heels. Up on your toes, down on your heels. Should we try a little bit faster? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up on your toes, down on your heels. 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 Awesome. Great work, team. All right, so now you've learned 2 whole tap dance moves. You've learned the shuffle and you've learned the cramp roll. Way to go. All right, now change to the next video. It's time to add on a little bit to our recital dance.